In a large bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour. I'm using whole wheat flour today because it's healthier. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil and we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt or as per taste. This is optional, but you can add in a little Kasoori methi and then just mix it up. Mix it up and then add enough water to make this into a dough. Keep adding water slowly until it forms into a tight dough. This is how your dough should look like. Mix it well. Now we're going to take a little bit of water in our hands, just a splash of water, and sprinkle it over the dough because this keeps it soft, and then cover it up and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out your dough and give it one good mix again. You're going to add a little bit of oil on top. Just take some oil in your hand and mix it with the dough. Give it a good mix again. You're going to divide it and then take a little ball of dough to roll out. For the rest of your dough, just keep it in the container and cover it so that it doesn't dry out. You're going to roll out this dough pretty thin. Cut the dough in half to make 2 half circles. You can use cheese as a filling or potatoes. I'm going to use cheese today because it tastes really good inside. You can use mozzarella cheese, cubed cheese, or even the sandwich cheese slices. Just cut up your cheese into small bits and then take 1/2 of the circle and take some water. You're going to dip your finger in some water and then put it on the sides of the dough, as you can see. This makes the dough sticky and so it can stick to itself. Make a cone and then pinch the edges very well. You should make sure there's no hole, otherwise the cheese would leak out into the oil. Once it's stuck well, then you can add in the cheese inside. Take some more water, put it on the edges and stick it well. Make sure there's no gap. Now take your other half circle, add some water and repeat the process. Make the cone, pinch it well. Add in the cheese. Add more water and then stick it together well. Keep repeating this with your other samosas. To fry the samosas, take some oil in a pan and when it's hot, add your samosas inside. Cook your samosas on a low flame until they turn golden brown. Just let them cook until they're this color. Now I'm going to break open a samosa to show you inside. Wow, that's so cheesy. It looks so good. Enjoy! Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye!